Hello everyone, today I will share with you and show you how to fix this problem on Truecaller. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps option and then search here for Truecaller. When you found Truecaller, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now don't forget the last things is to go to Play Store and update your Truecaller. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you next.